TC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment updates from two different companies, two big companies, that is Accenture and TCS. So Accenture is recruiting for freshers, and also there is a big recruitment update from TCS. And there is a good news that the last date to register to TCS has extended to 30th of November. So we'll see all the details about these two company recruitment updates in today's video. If you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. If you are a fresher or if you are in the final year of your studies, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first set of recruitment updates that we are going to see is from Accenture. So Accenture is recruiting for various posts. We'll be seeing three different updates from Accenture, and then we'll see the TCS update. Okay. So the first post we are going to see is New Associate Investment Banking. That is the post name. Here the location of job is Mumbai. Currently you can get work from home. Later on we'll have to relocate to the Mumbai location. Okay. So here the qualification they are saying is any graduation. See, you can see clearly that any graduation is a qualification you can apply if you are having any graduation, that can be from any background. Okay. Year of passing, they have not mentioned. 2015, 16, 17 or whichever year of pass out you are, you can apply. Years of experience they have mentioned is 0 to 1 years. Okay, so this is a new associate post, means clearly this is a fresher recruitment. Okay, so if you are a fresher, if you are having a graduation minimum, that can be from any background, you are eligible to apply. Okay, now in order to apply, just click on this apply now icon. First you have to register with Accenture job portal, and then you have to apply by filling up an application form. That is the application process. Okay, so that is the first post. The next two updates is for people with minimum 1 year of experience. Okay, if you are having minimum 1 year of experience, you can apply here. The first post is Associate Domestic Language. And if you are having an experience in Punjabi language, only then you need to apply here. Minimum 1 year of experience. Okay. So here again, any graduation is eligible. You should be knowing little bit of Punjabi. That is the requirement. Okay. 1 year, 1 to 3 years of experience. Any graduation is again eligible. BCom, BBA, BCA, BSc or BTech, all graduation backgrounds eligible to apply. Okay. So that is the second post, which is New Associate Domestic Language. Here again, the location of job is Mumbai. Currently, you can try for work from home. Okay. Again, you have to click on this apply now icon. You have to apply online by filling up an application form. Next, the third update again from Accenture. It is for Associate Query Management, and here again any graduation is eligible. Location is Mumbai. Year of experience they are asking is 1 to 3 years of experience minimum you require. Okay, so if you are having these qualifications, you can definitely try for this job. This is query management related job role. So what you will be doing is you will be aligned with our customer support vertical and helping us in managing and resolving customer queries. Means customer problems. If they are facing some problems, you have to answer to their questions. You have to find solution to their questions. That is the job. This is actually a voice process BPO related job itself. Okay, so that is the third post, which is Associate Query Management. Query here means answering the customer calls, customer questions, finding answer to those questions. That is the job role here. Okay, so these are the three set of updates from Accenture. If you are interested, the three links will be posted in the description box. You can check out the links and you can apply for whichever job role you are interested in. Okay, the next update we are going to see is from TCS. Here the year of pass out is 2020 and 2021, means freshers and final years are eligible to apply, and they are calling for people from BTech, MEMTech, MCA and MSE with year of passing 2020 and 2021. Okay. Your first job defines and sets the tone of your career, right? But do you want the recruiters to choose your first job for you? Now we are going to see about a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. So here you will get access to 200 plus leading companies like Upgrad, Urban Company, Meesho, etc. And you will get access to 1000 plus job roles for free. That is completely free of cost. So this is a free of cost venture. You have to just go through a simple procedure, and if you crack the test, you will get access to all these things, and you don't have to bother about going to the company sites and applying multiple times. The companies will come to you if you crack the test. So what you have to do is you have to just click on this icon which is called get hired, and then the next thing you'll be doing is you're going to book a test slot, and then you're going to give the test. And if you get a good score in the test, you can get your dream company and your dream package. So please make use of this platform. Also, they have now launched their app for Android and iOS users. So please do check out the link which I'll be putting in description, and please make use of this free of cost platform. So if you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Here the last day to apply was 15th of November. Now it is 30th of November, and also earlier the test commencement date, means the test starting date, they have written as yet to be announced, but now they have actually announced the test date, means the starting date of the test. It will be from 8th of November onwards. Okay, onwards you will get to attend the test. You will be getting the links to attend the test via your mail. Okay, that is if you are getting shortlisted. Now the year of passing they are asking here is 2020 and 2021, means all the freshers and final years of year of pass out 20 and 21 are eligible to apply. The eligible streams is B Tech, ME Tech, MCA and MSc. All the B Tech streams and all the ME Tech streams are eligible. Also all the MSc related backgrounds, means all the streams of MSc are eligible, and MCA candidates. Okay. You can also check for the test eligibility here. See, just click on this test eligibility. They have clearly given the details. See, minimum aggregate you need to have a 60% in 10th, 12th, diploma and graduation. And if post-graduation, if you are having post-graduation, for your post-graduation also you need to have minimum 60%. Okay, highest qualification, that is students should have completed the highest qualification. Okay, then backlogs, arrears, students should not have any pending backlogs, means if you are having any backlogs you are not eligible to apply here. Okay, then gap or break in education, they have given that 24 months is the gap in education which they have allowed. Okay, work experience, students can have up to 2 years of experience, maximum up to 2 years of experience. If you are having more than that, you're not eligible to apply. Age limit is 18 to 28 years is the age limit. Courses also they have given here, B Tech, ME Tech, MCA and MSc. Okay. And also if you are having some doubts, they have actually given some frequently asked questions here. Generally, which all doubts the students will be facing. So they have answered that questions directly here itself. Okay. Now what you have to do here is you have to just click on this here, means it is a TCS Next Step portal link which they have given here. Just click on this and just apply here. Okay, register as a new user and select the category as IT and apply to drive. Okay, now also they have given the test pattern here. Just scroll down, you will get the test pattern. Okay, see, this is the test pattern. Don't worry about anything, everything they have given in detail in the notification itself. Okay, so the TCS hiring will be consisting of 2 parts of selection process or test. There will be cognitive test. Okay, then there will be programming questions also. Okay, in the cognitive skills, there will be numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning, totally 120 minutes, and also they have given the division of timing for various sessions. Then there will be programming questions, programming logic and coding session. There is a coding round. 45 minutes of time is allotted for the coding round. Okay. Then totally 180 minutes is the duration of your test, and this will be the various divisions. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. A lot of people are looking forward to these companies like Accenture and TCS. If you are also interested in working with these companies, this is the best opportunity. This is the right time to apply to these companies because they are hiring a lot of people. Okay. So please check out the links which I'll be putting in description box. And if you are finding those posts eligible and favorable to you, if you find that you're eligible, you can definitely try for them. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping you found the video useful. Please like, share, subscribe if you found the video useful. Please support the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.